Hello guys, welcome to my another video, and this time we are actually playing a new season called the Soul. Let me this. We are actually doing a collab with Among Us. Subway doing it, and I also got this crewmate Jake one. This is so cool. And why does this look so stupid? I got a gift. Okay. So I also got to review it. Let's get lit. Okay, so I'm not gonna put the map for it. Today we're actually gonna do a run and try to get the fifth river. Okay, I'm also gonna check out the events. We got some upcoming events. We're actually gonna do the run. What I need the new beat actually hits out of it. Wait, let me check something. I need to check the songs. We got I'm actually gonna put it to the full song instead of the default. Okay, so now we are halfway through the run. I'm actually gonna show you my old score. Okay, so we are now very close. Oh, we got a new booster. Oh my! What did it do? Let's get one, but we got school booster. That's so cool. Okay, so now here. Okay, last time Subway Surfers collab was with Brawl Stars, and I was watching YouTube and there was all this Brawl Star like Subway Surfers shorts everywhere. Like they were getting like 2 million, like 20 million views, and it was like crazy. And I used to have all the characters from the collab. After the run, I'm gonna show them. Or in the next part. Okay, this series will last until like October 23. Then a new Subway Surfer series will start, but I will only create season depending on in my choice. Apologies if you guys don't like it. If the next season is very interesting, I will create another Subway Surfer series. And I will try to post daily, but my exams are coming up, so I won't be able to do it very quickly. And yeah, we actually almost finished the letter hunt. I forgot the name. Okay, well, let's try to get to like 1,000,000. Oh my god, I just missed. This is actually the surfboard I got from the last collab. It's so cool. You can go at super speed, sonic speed, I would say. I'm going so fast right now. I actually having a hard time controlling this. Oh, I almost crashed, and I almost man. Okay, I'm not going to shoot again. Apologies for YouTube for saying an inappropriate word. Okay, now I have to wait until the. Hopefully, an ad won't pop up again. But let me turn off the mobile data now, so we're gonna keep it up. We actually. Oh my god! I actually hate it, man. Why do we always have to get ads nowadays, man? Oh, I wish this was like what 2015 or something. Wait, I was not even wounded. Okay, so I wish this was like 2020 or something. Oh, this said this hella long, man. Apologies if you will get bored. I will tell you that first an apology. I will give you guys the opportunity to comment anything, like anything you guys want. It's loading. Like seriously, companies are getting so money every day. Actually, they just want to show our ads at this point. Well, I don't need keys. I have like, oh, look at how many I have. This is my current high score. It's like 9 million. I'm actually at the max score booster. I got this new season first. Okay, so I also have this gift. But she gonna say play this new event. This is gonna be so cool. Among Us. Oh, they seriously put this one. This is. Oh, we need more stuffy backups. What am I even saying at this moment? Where I may actually explode. Okay, so we still haven't get any report buttons yet. Oh my god, this still one up there, but I cannot reach it. So I still remember the Rio event. It's one of the most colorful and most cool events. I should have be making videos about it since it's over, but I'm still gonna make it. So are these mushrooms golden? Are they even safe to eat or anything? They're probably not safe for humans or something. Oh. Okay. Oh. So this, but we don't really want to annoy you guys. We have to watch an ad. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I should have watched the ad already. Released ad for the Galaxy A07. They actually launched the A07. But that's so cool. Oh, this is Samsung Sri Lanka. You can say play too. You got a new reward. I'm actually gonna complete all of them, but for the current time being, I'm just gonna do another. We have a welcome reward. Okay, and I'm gonna read the other season challenge. During the challenge, unlock so. Oh, hell yeah, I'm playing that. Special challenge? Well, what is the special challenge anyway? Like, I just updated the game today. Of course, it's time attack, man. Like, couldn't they just show it on the screen already? Yeah, give me a minute to speed up this up so you guys. No. Oh my. What is this? Oh. I'm feeling it. Oh my. It's really an emergency keyboard. Just for it. So it's at this point, and yep. I'm so dead. Oh! For the closest board menu, respects in the chat. Oh. Yeah, I should have grabbed that. I have collected a lot of stuff for like one sermon. That's so much. Let's go. But this is how I cook. Let's go. Okay. Okay, this is crazy. I hope you guys are actually having a good time in this video. I wish that first ad in the beginning of the video never showed up because that was hella annoying. Okay, so after this, I'm planning on doing a few shorts tomorrow. So, okay, I can't do it too. I can't post the next video tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm actually going on a trip to the bird park called bird park, and so I won't be able to post it tomorrow. So yeah, there's another time I think. I don't know what they're called. Let's just say timing crazy. Yeah, that's a good name for them. Okay, let's get this intention. Oh, you get some time. Remember, kids, we can't just have real by time in real life, man. This is a game, man. Oh, I'm off the kids already. Oh, I almost died, man. So the new beat is hitting so hard, man. Like, this is one of the most coolest beats, like, the Subway Surfers really go crazy with their beats and the events and seasons, like this is a full-on DJ band. So my phone is getting hot. After playing that Free Fire match for a few times. Oh my god. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry for that noise. My dad is having a phone call. Okay, so what are the rewards? Oh my god, this stupid ads, man. Okay. Okay, guys, so... Okay, I'm not playing this. How about let's just increase the volume so we can't hear that talking? So we have to wait too. Yep. So, I think that is top talking, so I'm gonna put the sound down a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna put the lecture down. Put it with the phone from a phone to 11. This might sound like a man. Like phones on that era don't even have support anymore. Like wish the laptops today still have an upgradable CPU, man. Like the old generation had it so good. Like I'm not Gen Z, I'm not Gen Alpha like you. But Gen A had it so good. They had upgradable things. They might have limitation on their hardware, but like Windows Vista to me it's actually a good OS. If you had a powerful PC at the time, like an HP said the workstation 200, and I actually had one. I accidentally break it by setting the rights too high. Okay, let's get it. If you get this book, okay, how about this? This is so hard. Okay, I hope this video is not too long. Our main goal is actually just to get a few more of these. I don't think I can make this video any longer. My phone storage will go full up and the upload time would be insane. I would probably be uploading tomorrow because this is gonna take so much time just to upload. But this light has so cool. Like, look at these. The subway surf is really good. When great with the designs and stuff. We even got arrow. Oh, the sausage bug has landed. Yeah. I'm just gonna call this character Sassy Jake. So, I seriously need to level up my name. Yeah, if you hear the noise in the background, that's my dad watching a drama show on it. Okay, so today's video's goal is to get 10,000 coins, baby. In this one, actually. So let's. Okay, so I won't be able to do any seasonal goals yet. So yeah. Okay, I may do some progress without posting a video because I really want to play the event, man. The event is very limited. Like, I did have few extras sorry, but I had to kind of fly in. So yeah. Double coins per that's so cool. Now we can get to our 10,000 coins go way more faster. Like if my phone gets a bit too really hard time ending the video because my phone getting hot is very bad. My phone will start auto-throttling and slow down. Okay, now we're getting really close. Okay, so we are almost halfway through, but yeah, so we are really close. But I don't think we'll be able to get our goals today. But okay, if we hit one of them, we have to end the video because my phone is getting dangerously hot. Like, I can literally feel the heat right now. Wait, we can do backflips now? Oh, that's it. Awesome. That was so crazy. Oh, oh, what is it? The triple clutch, man. Okay, so that's really close. Oh, we're in the 1910s in the countdown. Okay, so for longer time we're actually getting a bit close to our goal. So W in the chat, boys and girls. Boys and girls, W in the chat. Why almost there? Crashed it. Okay, let me go flash here. Okay, so now almost crashed because I haven't had this. What, did I see this? It just crashed by hitting bumping the big fluffy burgers. No, we reached the season ago. So this video is gonna be my longest video, like seriously, this is hella long. Double coins. Oh, my dad is talking to me. So oh. Okay guys, so I'm actually ending the video here. It's getting really late night in Sri Lanka. And before we... And I have something to say. Oh my god. The thing I need to say is... I filmed this video on November 4th, but I will be probably uploading in November 5th or 6th, and wait, and thank you for watching this video.